Hi, dear students. Today we are discussing some problems related to share for feature and reissue. Okay, let us go through one problem. This is a model question including more adjustments. K Limited issued 20,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. Payable rupees 3 on application, or rupees 2 on allotment, and the balance on first call. Okay, so there is 20,000 applications. 20,000 20,000 shares payable rupees 2 or 3 on application, 2 on allotment, and the balance on first call. Balance on first call means 3 plus 2 5, balance 5 on first call. The company received applications for 24,000 shares. Out of this, the company has received more than that is issued, that is 24,000 shares. So excess applications were rejected. Excess application, we have only 20,000 shares, but the company received applications for 24,000 shares. So excess applications were refunded. That is, application money for 4,000 shares were refunded. All amounts due were received. എല്ലാ ക്യാഷും കിട്ടിയിരുന്നു എക്സെപ്റ്റ് ഫസ്റ്റ് കോൾ മണി ഓൺ 100 ഷെയർസ്. This first call on 100 shares were not received by the company. Held by Mr. Lazar. These 100 shares are held by Mr. Lazar. These shares were forfeited and reissued at rupees 9 per share. Again, these shares were reissued at rupees 9 per share, fully paid. Okay, give journal entries. So this is the problem. Then we have to go through the problem in detail. First, bank account debtor to share application. Bank account debtor to share application. We have 24,000 applications. We have to pass journal entries for 24,000 applications. For 24,000 into 3. Okay, then 72,000. So bank account debtor to share application 72,000. Second, share application debtor to share capital. This entry should be passed only for 20,000 shares because the company has only 20,000 shares. Okay, 20,000 into 3, 60,000, 60,000. Then third, a refund of excess application money. Share application debtor to bank account. Share application debtor to bank account 4,000 into 3, 12,000. So out of 72,000 application money received, 60,000 transferred to share capital and the balance 12,000 transferred to refunded. It is given as refund, share application debtor to bank account. The next stage, share allotment stage. Share allotment stage, share allotment account debtor to share capital 20,000 into 4. Then now onwards we will pass journal entries only for 20,000 shares. So 20,000 into 2, 40,000, 40,000. Bank account debtor to share allotment 40,000, 40,000. All the amounts due were received. Okay, 20,000 into 2, 40,000, 40,000. Then next, share first call. Share first call debtor to share capital 20,000 into 5, 1 lakh, 1 lakh. Okay, 20,000 into 5, 1 lakh, 1 lakh. Then bank account debtor to share first call. Bank account debtor to share first call. Then here we did not receive all the amounts. That is, out of 1 lakh rupees, a shareholder with 100 shares did not pay first call. 100 ഷെയറിൻ്റെ ഫസ്റ്റ് കോൾ കിട്ടിയിട്ടില്ല. സോ 100 into 5, 500. Okay, so from 1 lakh, 500 rupees did not receive. That is, the company received only 99,500. So bank account debtor to share first call 99,500. We have to deduct calls in arrear from the first call amount. So we will get to 99,500. This is regarding first call. Okay, then Again we have to pass other journal entries. The next stage is share for future. Okay, these shares were forfeited by the company and reissued. Okay, then share for future. The company did not receive first call money on 100 shares. These shares were forfeited by the company. So share capital account at 100 into 10,000. To share forfeited, amount paid is 3 plus 2, 5. 5 into 100, 500. To share allotment account, not here share allotment, to share first call. Okay, to share first call 100 into 5, 500. This is the journal entry for forfeiture. Then again these shares were reissued at rupees 9 per share fully paid. So it is issued at rupees 9, that is 1 rupee discount is given. So bank account at 100 into 9, 900. Share forfeited account at 100 into 100. To share capital thousands. This is the journal entry for a reissue of 100 shares. Then again we have to pass one more journal entry, share forfeited account to capital reserve account. The profit on share forfeiture should be transferred to capital reserve. So here we have received, we have forfeited rupees 500. Out of forfeited 500 we have given discount of rupees 100. So there is a balance of 400 rupees. The amount transferred to capital reserve is 400. Okay, this is how we will deal with the big problems with complete all the details, that is share application, allotment, first call, calls in arrear, share forfeiture and reissue. Okay, we will go through another problem. M Limited issued 50,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. 50,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each, payable rupees 4 on allotment, rupees 4 on allotment, 4 on application, then rupees 3 on allotment, rupees 3 on allotment, and the balance on first call. So balance amount will be 4 plus 3, 7. So balance amount will be 3. Okay. The company received applications for 60,000 shares. Company has only 50,000 shares but received applications for 60,000 shares, and excess applications were adjusted to allotment. That is excess application money. Here company has excess applications of 10,000. So the application money on 10,000 shares were adjusted to allotments. Okay, all amounts due were received. Company received all amounts except first call money on 200 shares. This first call on 200 shares did not receive by the company. So first call on 200 shares held by Mr. Nasir is not received by the company. These shares were forfeited, and out of these 100 shares were reissued at rupees 7 per share. Out of 200 shares the company reissued 100 shares at rupees 7 per share fully paid. അതായത് 100 ഷെയർ, 200-ൽ നിന്ന് 100 ഷെയർ 7 രൂപ ഫുള്ളി പെയ്ഡായി റീഇഷ്യൂ ചെയ്തു. ഓക്കെ, ഗിവ് ജേണൽ എൻട്രീസ്. ദിസ് ഈസ് ദ പ്രോബ്ലം. ഓക്കെ, I think this is better you to solve this problem. We will give journal entries for share application stage, share allotment stage, share first call stage, then share forfeiture, reissue, and transferring the balance to capital reserve account. So take this problem as an assignment. Okay, then you take down this problem into your notebook, solve the problem, and send the answer to my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, so do it today itself. Okay, now next area, issue of preference shares. we have already discussed the entries and problems related to issue of equity shares. Now, issue of preference shares. In case of issue of preference shares, the journal entries are similar to those on issue of equity shares. എല്ലാം സെയിം ആണ്. ഇക്വിറ്റി ഷെയർ ഇഷ്യൂ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഉപയോഗിച്ച സെയിം എൻട്രീസ് ആണ് വി ആർ യൂസ്ഡ് ഇൻ കേസ് ഓഫ് ഇഷ്യൂ ഓഫ് പ്രിഫറൻസ് ഷെയർസ്. വി ഹാവ് ടു യൂസ് ദ വേർഡ് പ്രിഫറൻസ് ഷെയർ. Instead of the word equity share, we have to use the word preference share. For example, bank account to preference share application. Preference share application account to preference share capital. Instead of the word share, we will use the word preference share. And if you are given with the complete name of the preference share, for example, if you are given with the word 9% preference share, if you are given with this type of words, we have to use the complete word. For example, bank account to 9% preference share applications. The 9% preference share application dated to 9% preference share capital. Sometimes another words will be given. For example, 9% cumulative preference share. 9% cumulative preference share. If this type of word is used, we have to use the complete word. For example, bank account to 9% cumulative preference share application. 9% cumulative preference share application account debtor to 9% preference share capital. 9% preference share allotment account debtor to 9% cumulative preference share capital. Then bank account to 9% cumulative preference share allotment. We have to use the complete word. Okay, this is how we will pass journal entries in case of preference shares. So all the entries are similar except that we have to use the word preference share instead of equity share. This is an example of entries. Bank account to preference share application. Preference share application to preference share capital. Preference share application account to preference share allotment. It's like this. Preference share allotment to preference share capital. Bank account to preference share allotment. Then preference share first call to preference share capital. Bank account to preference share first call. Likewise, we have to pass journal entries using the complete word preference share. Let us go through one example. N Limited issued 1 lakh 9% preference shares. Here the word 9% preference share is used. This is the name of the share, 9% preference share. Okay, the company issued 1 lakh 9% preference shares of rupees 10 each, payable rupees 3 on application, rupees 3 on allotment, and the balance on first call. Balance will be rupees 4, total 10. Okay, the company received applications for 1,30,000 shares. Company received applications for 1,30,000 shares and excess application money were refunded. Excess application money were refunded. Okay, all amounts due were received. Give journal entries. Okay, this is the case of preference share problems. So we have to go through the problem. First, bank account to preference share applications. We have received 1,30,000 applications. So 1.3 lakhs into 3. 1,30,000 into 3. 3,90,000. 3,90,000. Preference share application to preference share capital. Here we have to transfer only 1 lakh share applications to share capital. 1 lakh into 3. 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs. Okay. Then preference share application dated to bank account. Excess application money were refunded. Excess application money were refunded. So 30,000 into 3. 90,000. 90,000. So we have received 3,90,000. Out of these, 3 lakh is transferred to share capital account and the balance 90,000 is refunded. Okay, then next stage is allotment stage. In that stage we have to pass two journal entries. First one for making allotment due, second on receipt of allotment money. Okay, then next, preference share allotment account to preference share capital 1 lakh into 3, 3 lakhs, 3 lakhs. Bank account to preference share allotment 3 lakhs, 3 lakhs. Okay, then next, another stage is first call stage. Balance 4 rupees is given. So preference share first call to preference share capital 4 lakhs, 4 lakhs. Then bank account to preference share first call 4 lakhs, 4 lakhs. Okay, this is how we will deal with the problems of preference shares. It is similar to issue of equity shares, except that we have to use the word preference share instead of the word share. Okay, thank you very much.